What's up, AluGlobus here. So in California, after the fires, we are smarter than what we do to protect our house. We have our aluminum wall cladding, which is fire resistant. You can clad your walls, your soffit, and your ceiling. Then you get a roofer to do a metal roof for you. We don't do that. And then you put our fences, full aluminum. Doesn't matter what design you go with. Our custom designs here, our laser cut, or our wood finish aluminum. That protects your house the best way possible. So be smart, be AluGlobus. If you're a contractor, developer, or a homeowner, but especially designers and developers, you're going to want to be in our contractor sign up because your customers are going to be looking for these type of products, and AluGlobus gets it at the best prices. Our wall cladding, it's a Lego system, super easy to install. You have the trim piece, amazing. All right, so let's walk a little bit and talk about what we got here. We got our Alu60 USA. This one is super heavy duty. The gauges are unbelievable, and we're able to do any design and any color you would like. You can mix and match. You can do bigger gap, smaller gap. Any of you can integrate our laser cut designs into that. So that's a beauty. Then we have our laser cut panels. Now this doesn't have to be at a full panel. This could be cut out as a window in the application of the slat system. It can become a window, or in the application of our slat tongue and groove system, you can also integrate that. Imagine a project where you have a fence line of slat and a fence line on slats, and in the middle you put a nice decor, what your customer is choosing. We can design any design you would like. This is made in the US, so we can powder coat also any color you want. It's beautiful and looks good and durable. Then we're coming up here to our wood-like aluminum. Best prices for contractor, developers, and designers, so sign up. You'll be super psyched to see. The result is just unbelievable. People just keep on coming, touching this, thinking it's real wood, but it's not. Let me get you the piece. So I'm back with some pieces. Here is our Lego system. Our Lego system is easy assembly, is heavy duty. You have placements for screws. This is the finest cladding. After masterpiecing the installation, we know what works best for the customer, and you can do it in our fence system. This will actually go into the place of the track where the slat sits, so you're able to do it. As you can see, they're identical, the same size. We did that so you guys can play with our systems. There's your slat system for a wood grain. So that could be your fence, and then this could be your cladding, or this could be the fence as well. But you can cover your barbecues, your patios, your soffits, your walls, your ceilings, your pergolas. Beautiful system. It is going to be right on your wood and your wallpaper. You can put your wallpaper for waterproof and put that right direct. It would be an easy install. So there you look. That's what people really were psyched about. They were come knocking on this thinking it's wood, and then when you knock it, it's not. So designers, contractors, join AluGlobus no matter what state you're in and get exclusive prices and exclusive deals. Order your sample kits and your magazine and start producing beautiful job like AluGlobus.